Hey everyone, Brian here with Honest Mechanic. Today I want to take a deep dive into Bridgestone tires and answer the question, who really makes Bridgestone tires? As one of the largest tire manufacturers in the world, Bridgestone has dozens of factories globally producing hundreds of millions of tires every year under various brand names like Firestone and Dayton. History of Bridgestone. Bridgestone originally started in 1931 when Shojiro Ishibashi founded the company in Kurume, Japan. For the first 20 years, Bridgestone focused entirely on the Japanese market, producing tires as the nation recovered from World War II. Things changed in the 1960s as Bridgestone expanded overseas with new factories in Singapore, Thailand, India, and more. The big turning point came in 1988 when Bridgestone purchased iconic American brand Firestone for $2.6 billion. This instantly transformed Bridgestone into one of the largest tire makers globally. Today, Bridgestone continues to operate the Firestone brand with 30 manufacturing plants in the Americas. So, when you see a set of Firestone tires, even though it says Firestone on them, Bridgestone is actually the parent company producing those tires. Where Bridgestone makes tires globally. As I mentioned earlier, Bridgestone tires are made all over the world. Let's break that down. Asia Pacific. Bridgestone has dozens of factories in Asia Pacific, with major plants in Japan, China, Indonesia, Pakistan, Taiwan, and more. The Asia Pacific region is where Bridgestone originated, so it continues to be a major manufacturing hub for the Japanese company. Americas. In the United States and Latin America, Bridgestone tires are primarily made under the Firestone brand. Major plants are located in Tennessee, Iowa, Illinois, and countries like Brazil, Mexico, and Colombia. An interesting side note, the American headquarters for Bridgestone is still located in Nashville, Tennessee, even to this day. Europe, Africa, and the Middle East, Bridgestone has major tire plants located in Belgium, France, Spain, Portugal, Poland, Turkey, Hungary, and South Africa. So whether you purchase a set of Bridgestone or Firestone tires in Europe, there's a very good chance they were manufactured right there on the continent. In total, Bridgestone now operates over 130 production facilities globally, with more than 140,000 direct employees, so they definitely qualify as a massive company. What brands fall under Bridgestone? Given the company's complex history of acquisitions and mergers, Bridgestone manufactures and sells tires under various brand names, including 1. Bridgestone. This is Bridgestone's flagship brand found internationally on all types of vehicles. 2. Firestone. Acquired in 1988, Firestone focuses mostly on trucks, buses, and agricultural use. 3. Dayton. Economy tire brand owned by Bridgestone, caters more towards everyday drivers. 4. Fusion. Bridgestone's budget performance tire lineup, made largely for the aftermarket. As I'm sure you can see, when you purchase tires with these brands on them, your money ultimately goes back to the parent company Bridgestone at the end of the day. Now, Bridgestone isn't alone in this practice. Rival tire giants Continental and Michelin utilize similar strategies globally. Why the strategy makes sense? I'm sure the complex corporate structure sounds confusing, but there are sensible reasons why Bridgestone utilizes brands like Firestone and Dayton under their large umbrella. It allows Bridgestone to cater to different demographics and price points without damaging the premium Bridgestone brand image. Someone shopping at Walmart for tires likely has a different budget than someone at a BMW dealership, for example. Certain brands like Firestone or Fusion have strong resonance with American consumers given their heritage. Even if Bridgestone is the owner, retaining the branding makes good business sense. By targeting multiple distribution channels from new car factories to independent installers, Bridgestone can blanket the market more effectively. So while it can get confusing with all the different tire brands under Bridgestone, the strategy allows the company to maintain market share through flexibility. Bridgestone's quality reputation. Even with different brand names and hundreds of factories, Bridgestone has built a strong reputation for quality and performance in the tire industry. Of course, specific tire models still vary, but Bridgestone ranked highly for owner satisfaction in multiple consumer surveys I analyzed. And automakers like Ford, GM, and Toyota choose to install Bridgestone tires on various nameplate vehicles right on the production line. That's always a good verification when a major manufacturer trusts them from the factory. So while the company structure might seem complex, Bridgestone utilizes their portfolio of brands effectively to produce quality, affordable tires for drivers globally. Hopefully this video cleared up the question, Who really makes Bridgestone tires? As always, put any questions down below in the comments section. Thanks for watching.